This 2026 Aliner Evolution 15 twin bed is a pop-up RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Aliner is 18 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 2, LP detector, refrigerator, spare tire kit, water heater, smoke detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this pop-up RV features front dinette, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Aliner Evolution 15 twin bed is 2,338 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.